Hello there! Welcome to my channel. My name is Carmela Baylon. This video is a continuation of my previous video about Subject and Verb Agreement, or SVA. SVA has many rules, and we're going to talk about more rules in this video. But again, before we start, just a quick reminder of clicking that subscribe button below and the notification bell next to it so you won't miss the videos I will be uploading every week. Now, let's get straight into the lesson. Again, subject and verb agreement means that the subject and the verb of a sentence must always agree for the sentence to be grammatically correct. So, it is very important that you identify the real subject in the sentence and know whether it's a singular or a plural, because it will tell you what form of verb you should use. So, dapat alam natin kung ano ang subject sa sentence at kung singular ba ito o plural, dahil ito ang magsasabi sa atin kung anong form ng verb ang dapat nating gamitin. And for this, you should also remember the singular form and the plural form of the verb. That is, the singular form has S and the plural form has no S, like these. So you already know the basic rules of SVA. That is, if the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. And if the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. Although you already know the basic rules of SVA, you still need to know these other rules, because sometimes we need to create sentences that are a bit more complex, which lead you to confusion at times whether we should use singular or plural verb. And these other rules will help you with that problem. So here are the other rules. Compound subjects with the word and require plural verbs. Example: the dog and the cat fight for their owner's attention. What are we talking about in this sentence? The dog and the cat. So we have two subjects. That means we have plural subject. Therefore, the verb should also be in plural form. Fight. So we can't say the dog and the cat fights for their owner's attention. That's incorrect. Next rule is compound subjects with the word or nor can take either a singular verb or a plural verb. So, compound subject means two or more subjects in a sentence. For example, either Sarah or Jean is coming. In this sentence, only one is coming. It's either Sarah or Jean, not the two of them. So there is an option. Pag sinabing Sarah or Jean, ibig sabihin kung hindi si Sarah ay si Jean ang pupunta. So, isa lang sa kanila ang pupunta. Yun ang pagkakaiba ng and at or. Pag sinabing Sarah and Jean, pareho silang dalawa ang pupunta. Pag sinabing or, isa lang sa kanila ang pupunta. Kung hindi si Sarah, si Jean. The same with Neither Sarah nor Jean is coming. Ibig sabihin, wala kina Sarah o Jean ang pupunta. Now, here are some examples of plural verb. Either Sarah or her friends are coming. In this sentence, we have Sarah or her friends. Sarah is singular, but her friends is plural. That's more than one friend. So what verb form should you use? In this case, using or with compound subjects, you have to take the subject that is closest to the verb, and that is her friends, plural. So you have to use plural verb. Either Sarah or her friends are coming. The same with neither Sarah nor her friends are coming. Next is collective nouns can be singular or plural depending on the writer's intent. It is singular when referring to the group as a single unit. For example, the class is preparing for the presentation. The sentence is referring to a certain class, let's say the Section A class. So, it's talking about this one class. Bilang isang klase o seksyon ang tinutukoy. Therefore, the verb should be in singular form, is. Now, it is plural when it is referring to the individuals in the group. For example, the class are preparing for the presentation. In this sentence, it is referring to the students in a class as individuals. So, ang tinutukoy ngayon dito ay ang bawat estudyante sa isang klase o sa isang seksyon. So, marami yun kung isa-isa mo silang titingnan. Kaya siya naging plural. Next is, indefinite pronouns may take singular verbs or plural verbs. Indefinite pronouns ending in one and body are always singular. So, for example, someone, anyone, everyone, somebody, everybody, nobody, anything, and something. The plural indefinite pronouns are many, both, several, few, and others. And the indefinite pronouns that can be singular or plural are any, all, none, more, and some. Let's have some examples. For singular indefinite pronoun, everyone is welcome to my channel. Everyone is always singular, so we use is. Everyone is. For plural indefinite pronoun, both of the sisters are singing. So pag sinabing both, silang dalawa ang ibig sabihin. So of course, both is plural. Therefore, we use are. Both of the sisters are singing. Other indefinite pronouns may take singular or plural form of verbs. For example, Some of the water is gone. Water is uncountable, right? We can't count water. So if it's uncountable, we use singular verb. Another example, some of the plates are gone. Now, plates is countable. So if it's countable, we use plural verb. We can count the plates, right? Next is a phrase or clause between subject and verb does not change the number of the subject. For example, a box of ripe fruits is heavy. We can't say a box of ripe fruits are heavy. We have here a box of ripe fruits. But which is the real subject here? Is it a box or ripe fruits? Again, what exactly are we talking about in this sentence? It's a box. The phrase of ripe fruits is just telling something about the box. So nagsasabi lang siya tungkol sa box. Another key here is that a subject will come before the of phrase. So ang subject daw ay nasa unahan ng of phrase. So a box, that's one box, of ripe fruits is heavy. Next is inverted subjects. Inverted subjects must agree with the verb. There are some sentences where subject and verb get interchanged. Madalas pag nagsusulat tayo ng sentences, ang subject ay nasa unahan. Pero may mga pagkakataon din na nauuna ang verb kesa sa subject. For example, are there fruits in the truck? It's asking about the fruits in the truck. So, fruits is the subject. And since it's plural, are should be used as the verb. Just the same if we change the sentence into a statement. There are fruits in the truck. So even if the verb comes first, it should still match with the subject. Next is titles of single entities are always singular. So this one's about titles. Titles of books, name of countries, or name of organization, or name of a group. For example, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a good movie. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is the whole title of a movie. It's only one movie, so we use singular verb is. Another example is, the Philippines struggles this period of time. The Philippines is the name of a country, one country, so we use the singular verb struggles with S. Next rule is for plural form subjects. Plural form subjects with singular meaning. There are singular words that end with S. These words still take a singular verb form. For example, measles is a common childhood disease. Another is, mathematics is my favorite subject. Measles ends with S, but it has a singular meaning. It's only one disease. Same with mathematics. We can't remove the S and say mathematic to make it singular, right? Mathematics is singular. So they always use singular verb. Now for plural form subjects with plural meaning. Where are the scissors? The pants are too tight. These objects, scissors and pants, have two identical parts, just like eyeglasses and binoculars. So even though we think of it as one object, we use a plural verb. But if we use the word pair, we use singular verb. For example, where is the pair of scissors? The pair of pants is too tight. Scissors and pants in these sentences are the object of the preposition, and it does not affect the number of the subject. So if you say pair, it's singular, and if you say pairs, it's plural. For example, the pairs of pants are too tight. It says pairs, so maybe there are two or more pairs of pants. So we use plural verb in this sentence. Another rule is gerunds often function as singular nouns and they take singular verbs. Now, gerund is a word that looks like a verb but actually functions as a noun. For example, walking relaxes me. Another, reading is my favorite hobby. So walking and reading in these sentences look like verb, right? But actually they function as noun. They are our subjects here. The word relaxes is our verb. Walking relaxes me. Same as reading. Reading is our subject here. It's a gerund, so we use is. Singular verb. Another example is walking and reading are my favorite hobbies. Now, we use are in this sentence because we have two gerunds here, the walking and reading. We have a compound subject. So, did you learn more about subject and verb agreement? There are more rules actually, but I think you should take a break for now. So that's all for subject and verb agreement. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please click the like icon, and if you have a comment or suggestion for my next topic, please drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!